Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Mr. English Sir. Today, we're diving into a super relatable topic: shopping. Whether you're browsing around at your local mall or hitting up those online stores, English plays a big role in those exchanges. Let's be honest, we've all been there, trying to remember basic phrases like, "How much is this?" or "I'm just looking." But today we're taking it to the next level. We're exploring how real people converse in stores, making it friendly, natural, and super confident. You'll be speaking like a pro in no time.
Speaking of shopping, let's start off with our first scenario, shall we? Picture this. You're in an accessories store. Ooh, wait, just before we get into it, I have to ask, what's the craziest thing you've ever bought while shopping? Like, something totally spontaneous?
That's a great question. So once, I was just browsing in an electronics store, and I ended up with this ridiculous gadget that I'd never seen before. It was get this, a smart lamp that changes colors based on the music you play. Super cool, right? I thought it would light up my space. Laughs. Anyway, let's check out this scenario.
That sounds so fun. I'm all about those quirky gadgets. All right, let's dive into this scenario.
Alexa. Hi there, can I help you find something?
Ali. Yes, I'm looking for a handbag, something simple and elegant.
Speaker 2. Oh wow, handbags, they have personality, right? Like, do you think they reflect the owner's style? Absolutely, they can say a lot about a person. Let's continue. Alexa, do you prefer leather or fabric?
Ali. Leather would be nice. Do you have one in brown?
Speaker 2. Brown is such a classic choice. It's like a staple in the wardrobe, kind of like that little black dress. But for bags... Yes, definitely! It complements so many outfits. Let's see what happens next. Alexa. Yes, here's one. It's one of our best sellers.
Ali. Oh, I like this. How much is it? Speaker 2. Best sellers always make me curious. Like, why do we gravitate towards what's popular? Is it the fear of missing out or something?
That's a deep thought. But it is intriguing how trends influence our choices. Anyway, let's keep going. Alexa. It's $75, but it's 20% off today.
Ali. That's a good deal. Can I see the inside? Speaker 2. Discounts are the best. It's like a mini victory. Plus, I'm always a little curious. How do stores decide what to discount?
That's an interesting question. It usually depends on inventory and sales strategies. Now, back to our scene. Alexa. Of course. It has 2 pockets and a zipper section.
Ali. Perfect. I'll take it. Speaker 2. Yes, the satisfaction of buying something nice. So, what's the feeling like when you find exactly what you wanted?
It's euphoric, right? Like a little rush of excitement. Alexa, would you like a gift bag?
Ali. No, that's okay. Thanks.
Nice and simple. Now, moving to the men's clothing store, where the stakes are sometimes even higher: job interviews, right?
Ooh, I know so many people stress about job interview outfits. It's wild how much a shirt can affect confidence.
Alexa. Hello, can I help you find something today?
Ali. Yes, I need a shirt for a job interview. Speaker 2. A crucial moment. Light blue. Interesting choice. Is there a psychology behind colors for interviews?
Great point. Colors do convey messages. Light blue can signify calmness and trustworthiness. Alexa, do you have a color or style in mind?
Ali. Light blue, something formal but not too fancy.
Let's see how it pans out.
Speaker 2. I'm on the edge of my seat. What happens next?
Alexa, this one would look great. It's wrinkle-free cotton.
Ali. Nice. Can I try it on? Speaker 2. Wrinkle-free like. Hallelujah. How did we ever live without that?
Right? Let's see what happens next. Alexa. Sure, the fitting rooms are at the back.
After trying it on, Alexa, how does it fit? Ali. It fits really well. I'll take this one. Speaker 2. Oh yes, the magic moment. Finding the right fit. It's like finding your soulmate, but with clothes.
Speaker 1. Laughs. Exactly. Now, let's keep moving to the electronics store where the tech lovers gather.
Alexa. Good afternoon. Looking for something in particular? Ali. I'm thinking about buying wireless headphones. Speaker 2. Ah, wireless headphones. Major game changer. I mean, who wants to deal with tangled wires, right?
For sure. Now, let's dive in.
Alexa, do you want over-ear or in-ear style? Ali. Over-ear. I need them for work and travel. Alexa. This model has great noise cancellation and long battery life.
Ali, how much is it?
Speaker 2. Dude, battery life is everything. Can you imagine being on a flight and your headphones dying? Nightmare.
Ugh, yes. Now back to business.
Alexa. It's $120, but we have a 10% discount today.
Ali. That's nice. Can I test the sound?
Speaker 2. Testing speakers before buying is like making sure a car drives well before purchasing. That's smart.
Exactly.
Alexa. Of course. Here you go.
Ali. Wow, the sound quality is amazing. I'll take these. The thrill of quality sound. Now, let's see how it wraps up.
Alexa. Do you need an extended warranty? Ali. No thanks. Just the headphones.
Alexa, please pay at the counter.
Ali. Thank you for your help.
Alexa, anytime.
All right, this has been fun. But can we talk about cosmetics real quick? I think that's a whole other world.
Absolutely. Let's jump to the cosmetics store.
Alexa. Hi, can I help you find something?
Ali, I need a good moisturizer for dry skin.
Speaker 2. Moisturizers can be so tricky. Like, how do you even know what's the right choice? Is it trial and error? Or are there magic formulas out there?
Speaker 1. It is a bit of both, but let's see what happens here.
Alexa. Is your skin more sensitive or normal? Ali. It's quite sensitive.
Alexa, then I recommend this one. It's fragrance-free and hydrating. Ali, can I try a sample?
Speaker 2. Samples are such an amazing concept in stores. Why isn't food sampling everywhere? I'd love to try every meal before ordering.
Haha. That would be epic.
Alexa. Here's some on your hand. See how smooth it feels?
Ali, it's light and not sticky. I like it. How much is it? It's crucial to know the price.
Alexa. $25 for the small jar, $40 for the large one. Ali. I'll take the large one.
Speaker 2. Smart choice. Sometimes it's worth it to invest in quality skincare, like a little self-care. Exactly. Alexa. Perfect. Anything else for today?
Ali. No, that's all. Thank you.
Alexa. My pleasure. Have a lovely day.
Wow, this makes me want to shop right now. Like, it's amazing how much language can empower us in everyday situations. Thank you for breaking it all down so engagingly.
Anytime. Remember, folks, the next time you're out shopping, put your best English forward. Thanks for joining us today. We can't wait to see you next time.